It can be a thrilling experience to construct your own computer, but you must establish a balance between performance and cost. You can save money by purchasing a low-cost PC case that does not sacrifice functionality or aesthetics. In this video, we will examine some of the most cost-effective and high-quality budget PC cases. Starting off, we have Gamdias TALOS E3. This case features a clean aesthetic with a tempered glass side panel that showcases your build's internal components, making it an ideal option for gamers and enthusiasts alike. It supports standard ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX motherboards, and has 7 expansion slots, providing plenty of room to install expansion cards. It also features excellent cooling capabilities, with support for up to a 360mm front radiator and a 240mm top radiator. Besides, it can accommodate up to 2 120mm fans at the top and 2 120mm rear fans, ensuring that your system stays cool, even during the most intensive gaming sessions. Additionally, the case also comes with up to 2 3.5-inch HDD cages, providing ample storage space for your hard drives. And to ensure easy access to all of your peripherals, this one also got the top I/O port featuring one USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, audio jacks, power, and reset buttons. So, if you're looking for an affordable PC case that is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, and TALOS E3 could be a great purchase. Next, we got another mid-tower case, Phanteks Eclipse P300A, featuring a full metal mesh chassis for optimal cooling and ventilation. It also includes ABS and tempered glass panels that add a touch of elegance to its design. What's even more impressive, you can fit it in up to 2 75mm wide ATX motherboards. In terms of storage, the P300A offers 2 2.5-inch SSD brackets and 2 3.5-inch HDD brackets, providing enough space for your storage needs. The case also has a 200mm PSU clearance, making it compatible with a wide range of power supplies. Overall, the Phanteks Eclipse P300 is an excellent choice if you're looking forward to buying a budget PC case with great cooling potential. Are you looking for a PC case with a sleek RGB aesthetic and an affordable price range? Then check out the AeroCool Salon. Its beautiful front RGB LED design is undoubtedly one of the standout features, with up to 13 lighting modes to choose from. This PC case also supports a 240mm liquid cooling radiator at the front, ensuring that your system stays cool even under a heavy load. It includes a total of 7 expansion slots, allowing you to customize your own build. It can also support graphics cards of up to 371mm in length, which is great for gamers who need high-end GPUs. The top I/O pane is also well designed. It is equipped with one USB 3.0 port, up to 2 USB 2.0 audio jacks, and an SD card reader. Another great feature is the PSU dust filter, which makes cleaning a breeze. Talking about PSU dust filters, you can easily fit in an ATX size power supply up to 207mm, which is really convenient. So, yes, gamers who prioritize good looks and features should definitely go for it. Coming up next is the MasterBox Q300L, a mini tower case that stands out for its impressive design and versatility. With patterned magnetic dust filters, a modular I/O panel, and a transparent side glass panel, it offers a high level of customization options for PC builders. The clean routing space for cable management ensures a neat and organized build. Also, it supports up to 2 140mm fans and a 240mm radiator at the front to keep your components cool. This PC case can be positioned both vertically and horizontally, making it perfect for those with limited desk space. With support for graphics cards up to a length of 360mm, this is a great option for gamers. The MasterBox Q300L is a masterful case that combines form and function, making it an excellent choice for building a personalized PC at an affordable price range. And finally, we have the Fractal Design Focus G. which is an excellent budget mid-tower case that offers a perfect combination of style, functionality, and affordability. With its large windowed side panel, you can showcase your build and admire your hardware. The case features 2 universal drive bays for HDD and 15mm SSDs, as well as an additional 2.5-inch mount behind the motherboard tray, providing plenty of storage space. It also comes with front top and base air intake filters that keep your system clean and dust-free, while 2 pre-installed 120mm white LED bands ensure optimal airflow capability for your internal components. The case supports radiators up to 240mm in 2 different orientation choices, offering liquid cooling enthusiasts the flexibility they need. The top I/O ports provides easy access to all your additional peripherals, making connectivity a breeze. In short, the Fractal Design Focus G is an exceptional mid-tower case that every budget builder should definitely check out. So that's all for the top 5 PC cases available for around $50. We appreciate you watching. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, send it to your friends and let us know what you think by leaving a comment. Click the bell symbol to subscribe to our channel and see more videos like this one.